In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Semrush account. If you've been looking for a delete button in your profile settings and can't find it, you're not missing anything. Semrush handles permanent account deletion through their support team, not through the usual settings menu. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and share a few tips so the process is smooth and you don't lose anything important by accident. First, make sure you're on your Semrush homepage and signed into the account you want to remove. Being logged in helps support confirm it's really you and speeds things up. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Contact Support option. You'll typically find it via the help icon, the footer, or a support link in the interface. Go ahead and click Contact Support. Since Semrush doesn't allow direct deletion in settings, this is the official path to request the removal of your account. From here, you'll be able to reach their team, usually by chat or by submitting a request. This is where you can clearly state that you want your account permanently deleted. It helps to include the email address associated with the account and, if relevant, note any active subscriptions tied to it so everything is addressed in one go. Keep in mind that deletion is different from simply cancelling a paid plan. Cancelling a subscription stops future billing, while deleting the account removes the account itself and its data. If you only want to pause charges but keep your data, make that clear. If you want everything gone, specify that the account and all associated data should be deleted. Before you reach out, consider exporting any reports, projects, or invoices you might need later. Account deletion can be permanent, and once it's processed, you may not be able to recover saved keywords, projects, or history. Also, check your billing status. If you're on a trial or a renewal is near, mention that timing to support so they can guide you based on their policies. For security, support may ask you to verify details. Respond only through official Semrush support channels and avoid sharing sensitive information beyond what they request. After you send your request, keep an eye on your email for confirmation or follow-up questions. If you don't see anything, check your spam or junk folder. That's all there is to it. Be on your Semrush homepage, then click Contact Support, because deletion isn't available in settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you close out your account confidently.